Dude, I hit you already. Dude, you can't blind fire. You have to be looking down your sights.
You hit, bud.
Huh?
You hit.
No, you have to be looking down your sights.
Right here?
No, you can't be going like that.
Right here.
No, you have to be looking down.
Hey guys, watch out, left. They're pushing uphill. Hold on. No. Okay, they're all. Watch out, they're shooting from over there.
No, Matthew, be my witness. Be my
What?
witness, bro. Be my fucking witness. Dude, no, if they say it's single.
What?
I'm just saying how easy it is to have influence over a 13-year-old kid.
Yeah.
And no, I didn't accuse you of anything, buddy.
Okay.
Okay?
It wasn't.
We didn't do anything.
We didn't do
anything.
It wasn't any of us.
Dude, immediately as soon as someone starts crying, they go after us. Like, why are they yelling?
Because they think we're the people that do. I mean, we do these stupid. You know,
We do these things, but
We don't.
not that dumb.
Yeah. And now his dad's mad. Look. I told you. I said it was falling off.
oh my god. I'm gonna shoot you square in the forehead.
Oh no. We need to
Surgery. It's easy to get back on. Just you gotta get it in the sand.
They being gay though. I'll hold it. You squeeze it. Woof, woof, woof.
Dude, shoot back.
Dude, I'm on the. Dude, I'm not even in the field anymore.
Right? You're like passed out.
Because they can.
That guy got out.
That's good. We won.
Let's go!
We survived the gulag. Dude, that was too comfortable.
I thought it was a snake.